We all speak of a world under transformation. It is vital to recognize that the process of change actually has a strong cultural dimension. The truth is that the world is intrinsically and essentially diverse, and that pluralism has been suppressed in the past by both colonialism and big power dominance. As we seek now to democratize the international system, it is not enough to just assert political and economic independence. It is equally essential that we give voice to our traditions, to our heritage, to ideas, to practices, and to our creativity. There are many voices, many experiences, and many truths that make up our world. Each one has a right to express itself and must be facilitated to do so. As the world comes closer, we can contemplate both a global workplace and a global workforce. Both digital connectivity and physical logistics make this a growing reality. But we need accompanying shifts in mindsets, frameworks, policies, and practices. Remember, neither talent nor tasking will be stationary. Smoother mobility can certainly contribute to stronger creativity.